Welcome. We've made it to the end of our five-part series here on AI Ready You. We've covered quite a bit of ground. We've talked about the CLI, we've talked about the desktop, we've talked about building agents, skills, Vault, getting everything set up. We've talked about plugins and how to get that set up and connected. A lot of technology. And if you've made it this far, you've already done something that most people would not do. You have shown up. You have shown curiosity. You put in the work to understand what's actually happening with AI. And most people might say, oh, this is just headlines. This is just about hype. But the real mechanics of how this works is what you have done, which is showing up. Now, I want to take a moment to talk about something that's even deeper than the tools, the technologies, the framework, the prompt templates, or anything I might have covered in this particular lecture. I want to talk about who you are becoming through this process, what AI is forcing all of us to be, and that is something different. Because here's the truth, and I don't think anyone will tell you about this. It takes mindset to be AI ready. AI readiness is not about technology. It's not about the tool. It's not about the process. It's about the mindset you develop through this process. It really, if I have spent 5 hours making this tutorial, it really wasn't about AI. It really was about you. It's about the skills you've been building, the patience you've demonstrated, the agents you've been designing, and the systems you've been putting together to work for you, the visible output you get out of it. This is the real transformation that's happening through this process. You taking a step back and thinking about your taxes, thinking about your health, thinking about your wealth, thinking about all the processes in your life that matters to you. That is where transformations truly happen. Now, there is always that perspective that to be AI ready, you need to be technologically savvy. No, it's not about technology. And I can go on. I can debate this with any person who would want to debate me on that. That there's little to do about technology here and everything to do with mindset. And this mindset choice is a decision that you have to make. And you've already made that decision by watching and coming to this particular location. I cannot make the decisions for you. I cannot decide what's important for you. I cannot, or even AI, for that matter, cannot make any of those choices for you. What we can do is inspire you to go out and to build something that truly matters to you. Because mindset is great, but mindset alone is just a starting point. And you know that. We all know that. You've seen people who are excited about AI. They really can talk about AI all day long, but they have never built something. They've never done anything with AI. They read about the news, they panic about it, they watch every single video, they have opinions about every model. This model is great, that model isn't good, but yet they cannot show you something they have built, something tangible. They have never sat down and taken the time to do the work. They have enthusiasm, but enthusiasm without the foundation is just that. It's just enthusiasm. Enthusiasm without the foundation is just that. It's just noise. So I want to thank you for taking the time to build that foundation. You took the time to understand these concepts. If something isn't clear, I would encourage you to go back and rewatch it. I want to encourage you to think about the systems that you've built, how things actually work, where there have been gaps in your life you haven't closed. You learned about skills. You've learned about agents. You've understood how to potentially structure something that could amplify the work you do. That is the foundation that hopefully is now yours to run with. Nobody can take that away from you. Your cloud subscription can go away, your Gemini subscription can stop working, but now you have a framework to hopefully understand how to structure and introspect your life in a way that gives value to you. And if you do the work, if you put in the effort, it will compound. Every skill you build adds on. Every workflow you refine, every agent you design, it all builds up into something truly special. You are not starting from zero every time. You are starting from something and building new drops, new steps onto what you've already built. That base, that structure, that system is what gives you the advantage. And growth is a unique thing because growth is rarely visible as it happens. But if you take a step back in the long enough time horizon, growth is something truly special. There is no finish line with this. I can't tell you that the structure I have today will be the structure I will have tomorrow. I cannot say that with any confidence. There is no finish line. There is no certificate. This program, this demos, this lecture, I have no certificate I give out to folks to congratulate them for doing it. Why? Because the certificate is in you showing up. The certificate is in you believing in yourself. The certificate is in you learning and putting in the work that it takes. That part, that work, that showing up is what matters. The people who would survive AI, the people who would be thriving in AI, and the people who don't just watch videos, but the people who can practice, who can build, who can point AI at, at their lives and make a difference with it. Technology will continue to change. The models will keep getting better. There's a saying that most people know this at this point, that the models we have today are the worst they will ever be. New capabilities will continue to emerge that none of us can even predict. I'm sitting here right now and making a video. I'm pretty sure tomorrow, 6 months from now, something different will come in from the left field. The only thing that is constant is change. And when change happens, there are people who will panic. There are people who would say, but oh, look, now I'm wasting time, or I wasted all my time talking about skills and skills aren't relevant anymore. Or I wasted all my time talking about agents and agents aren't relevant anymore. If that is your posture, I think you're missing the mark. The people who will adapt, the people who build the fundamentals and build on those fundamentals, those are the people who would succeed. I really hope if you've watched to this end that that is you. You've invested time in understanding the why, not just the how. The how, for the most part, is easy. Most people can get it. The why. Why do you care about this? Your life, your wealth, your health, your taxes, your relationships, your calendar. Why is that enough or important enough for you to want to put AI to work for it? That is what you brings to the table, and that why does not have an expiration date. It doesn't change because a new model drop. It doesn't change because something changed in AI. Your why is yours and is yours truly. But I want to challenge you on one more thing. I want to challenge you to stay curious. I want to challenge you to be stubborn. I want to challenge you to be unreasonably curious. Not curious in the way where you scroll on an AI news feed, you learn about the new models that are dropping, and you feel like, oh, now I'm caught up on AI, I'm AI savvy. That is not the curiosity I'm talking about. The curiosity I'm talking about here is where you see something you don't understand and you refuse to say, you know what, I'm not going to walk away past this. This paperclip thing, I'm going to try it. This open cloud thing, I will try it. This headless automation thing, I will try it. That is a level of curiosity I am summoning from you if you've watched and listened to this point. Curious in a way where you ask, what if? And then actually go find out. You ask why not and then go find out. Curious in a way where you build something that just might not work, but you're building it just to see what happens. You're building something that you might throw away, but you're building it because you can. That is a level of curiosity I want to summon from you. The kind of curiosity I'm talking about is very rare. That is the curiosity that keeps people up at night and is the single most valuable trait you can carry with you wherever you go and whatever comes next. Because one thing is certain, tools will change, platforms will change, best practices as we know it with AI will change. But the person you are becoming, the person that is truly curious, the person looking to find their way, the person looking to apply this for their life or their business, that person is truly special. They will always adapt, they will always evolve. Not because they are smarter or because they just want to show up, but because they are willing to stay uncomfortable in the space of not knowing and keep pushing and keep moving forward until they know. So here is what I want you to take away from this entire series. 5 series. You are not behind. You are not an imposter. You are not too late to learn AI. Your age, your income, your status in life doesn't matter. The playing field has been made equal. The AI you have is the same AI I have. It's the same AI your neighbor has. It's the same AI your boss or the CEO has access to. Not being technical enough is no longer an excuse. You are exactly where you need to be as long as you keep going and taking advantage of this. Here is what I believe. The world as we know it at the moment of making this video was split into two camps. People who let AI happen to them and they just stand on the sideline and watch. And people who happen with AI. You've already chosen the group you're in. You're taking this lecture, you're taking this class, you're watching the videos, you're taking the step to proceed. You choose when this series starts. You choose when the series I've put out ends. You choose what you get to build with the first skill you have at your fingertips. You choose whether to keep going or to stop. You choose whether it's too complex or if you would dedicate enough time to understand the things you don't understand. My ask, my recommendation, my plea, my invocation is for you to keep building, to keep learning, to keep evolving, not because the technology demands it, not because you've bought the course now, you feel like I need to take the course, or because you've gotten a package from the AI Ready You and you feel like, okay, now I gotta take the package. I want you to keep going and keep pushing because you deserve to be the kind of person who doesn't sit on the sideline and let the future happen to you. If you've watched to this point, that is you. This is your time. You are ready. Now, I want you to go out and build something truly extraordinary for your life. AI ready you.